Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a pretty big package here from Lorene Plans. Oh my goodness. So I am getting really excited about this because coming up is her Black Friday sale. So you guys are going to have to check that out. She has wonderful kits, beautiful stickers, and a fabulous sale going on for Black Friday. So, and if you use the code TT.Scraps, you'll get my code as well. So this is free for Facebook group members. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? So if you're a Facebook member, you will get this. So be sure to join her Facebook group. And this is free with every order. And it is a cute, it looks like a coffee mug or a coffee cup, and then there's different, oh, that's adorable. So every order will get one of those. And that's really cute. I think every order will get one of these. And this is free with a $75 order. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. Happy New Year. 12 new chapters, 365 new chances. I love the penguin. Oh my goodness. The washi that says Happy New Year. Oh, this is adorable. She really does do a great job on all of her kits. And it says laundry today or naked tomorrow. Planning time, $2 Tuesday. So you get a full kit. I think it's her mini kit. I'm sure it's her mini kit. That's actually what I love to use. So that's awesome. And she's going to have all of her monthly bundles for 60% off. It includes Erin Condren, the Hobo Weekly, the Hobo Cousin, Print Pression Weekly, the Mini HP, the B6 insert for the 1407 planner, and the Cello Much Crafting personal sized planner. So she has a ton of different sizes. You can surely find one that will work for you. I got the Hobo Cousin set because that's the one that I wanted. So she sent the whole year of monthlies. So, oh my goodness, I am one blessed woman. So here is January. It has the little thing that you can put down the side and a washi, and then all of the days of the week and some cute little boxes and the holidays, bills due, paydays. Super cute. So I'm not going to go through each one of them like really slowly, but I'm going to show you all of them because they are just too cute not to. So that one's January. This one's February. Very Victorian, romantic, Valentine-y. Lots of little functionals too. I mean, these are great. Everything you need for your month. And then March is Shamrocks. Luck of the Irish to You. I love those colors. Super cute. And April. It's pretty. I love the purple, the violet. It's beautiful. Easter and April Fool's Day are the holidays for this one. And then May has Mother's Day, so she has cute little flowers. Cinco de Mayo, Memorial Day, and Mother's Day. Very nice. 60% off these kits, guys. I mean, seriously. The bundles. That's a great deal. And then you'll be set for the entire year. So look at June with the pretty underwater mermaid. Oh my gosh. The colors are gorgeous. And then here's July, which is fun. It's underwatery too. Flip-flops. Anchors. Very cute. And August is sunflowers. Beautiful yellow, bright and happy. and September. My dog might need to go to the restroom. Oh, that is adorable. So I'm going to leave this here and I will be right back. You won't even know I'm gone. Okay, so here is October. I love that one. Oh, that one's super cute. November, the pretty fall colors and the turkey candle. Each one of them is cute. Look at that. It says game time and has football things. Super cute. And then finally the December one. Oh my goodness. I love it. That car with the wreath is just adorable. So that is everything that I got in this PR package. How sweet. I am one blessed woman. And I am only going to PR for her through the end of the year. So use my code TT.Scraps 20. Most of the time that will get you 20% off. But if you shop on Black Friday, you're going to get a way better discount. But if you put in the notes that TT.Scraps sent you, you will still get my sampler sheet. And you won't regret it because it's got some really cute things on there that I picked personally for my kit. So I love it and I hope that you do too. And Lorene Plans has amazing. Lisa is just amazing. She is super sweet, super kind. You're helping a working mom out who is doing this and making it work, and it's just remarkable. I love small businesses and helping them out. So please shop the link that I have below. Let her know that I sent you and enjoy the discount. And think about the 60% off the bundle. I mean, that's 60% off. That's buying 4 months and getting all 12 close to. I'm guessing. But that's not far off because half off would be 6 months and you get 12 months, but you're buying less than that. So it's like buying 4 or 5 months and getting the whole year. So I would say go for it. You will not be disappointed. I love how they each come in their own little plastic bags so that you can easily store them and they won't get dusty or anything wherever you put them. And if you spend $75, you also get this one free, which is one of my favorite weekly kits that I've seen. It is adorable. My son loves penguins, so that always reminds me of him. And so, my goodness. And then you get free with every purchase. And if you join the Facebook group, you get this too. So she really has knocked it out of the park. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day and happy shopping. Bye-bye.